So I probably gotcha because you clicked on this video. So just bear with me and see my reasoning. So the trick on YouTube is, get the crazy thumbnail, clickbait, you're trying to somebody to click on your video. I'm like, yeah, why not give it a try? So I don't know which one I'll go with, but turbo lawnmower, big old turbo on it. Maybe throw it on that car and just kind of, because when I take a picture of this, doesn't really look that crazy, but maybe I'll put it on there and make it look kind of crazy. I don't know. We'll see. So I think I picked it. We'll see how many views I get, but I'll try it. Everybody's doing it. Why not me? But here's gonna be my thumbnail. I got a wheel that's sitting right just next to my little Ford Edge. I got that turbo kit. Kind of put it on the battery. I stuck a piece of exhaust just sitting here. It'll kind of look crazy-ish. So maybe I'll get enough attention to people just clicking on it. But yeah, maybe just throw it on here and make it a reality. You never know. Look at this, just a 5-inch exhaust with a big diesel engine and a little Ford Edge. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the truck. I've been working on it off and on. Been pretty busy with work. Got sick and we got a lot of snow, so didn't really do much progress. But then yesterday I decided to just bust some stuff out, and I just wanted to show you what I did. A lot of the stuff I didn't fix, and I figure I'll just throw a little video together just to throw something up there, so you guys don't get bored. But here's what I did. Well, I didn't film much when I took the cab off, but figure I'll make maybe a little video. So it's all the stuff I took off: doors, cab. Here's the beast. I take the bed off. I'm gonna take the engine, transmission, and front axle off and just get her parted out, get her apart. There's the radiator, there's the intercooler in there. It's all the piping and stuff. So made a little bit of a mess, but I think it's gonna come along, and we'll set this up and see how it goes. So here's the truck, kind of all taken apart. It's kind of a mess in here. I was trying to clean some stuff up and just made a mess, but I got everything pulled out. Got some parts here. Got the bed to still pull off, and the frame's just sitting here. Axle is gone already. So here's the transmission. Here's the clutch, wheels, engine. There's the cab. Here's the big boy single turbo Bob Warner 5-inch exhaust. I don't know, I was gonna maybe have some bigger plans for this truck, but looks like it's just gonna get parted out, and maybe I'll keep some of the nicer stuff like the single turbo kit. I don't know, maybe the engine. I think I got the transmission sold, but I think I'm just gonna sell it and move on to the next one. It's pretty beat up and been pretty busy. Want to do something fun with it, but I'll show you outside. We've been snowed in over here, kinda. If somebody's from Tri-Cities, they know how it's been, but it's been snowy. Has been kind of tough to work. Been cold and just been tired.